Hey guys, this is Andrew with Nissan of Cookeville. Today we're looking at the 2020 Sentra SV with premium package to show you the best vehicle to give you more class for less cash. With a bold new stylish design on the 2020 Sentra paired with tons of technology that'll keep you safe on the road and 149 horsepower and 146 pounds of torque, you'll love the way your car looks and love the way it has the spirit to drive for you for years to come. Along with the stylish new design, Nissan has also made Safety Shield 360 standard across all trim levels on the 2020 Sentra, meaning whether you choose to purchase the S, SV, SV with premium, SR, or SR with premium, you have the peace of mind knowing that you're getting all the great safety features necessary to keep you safe on the road today. Features such as blind spot warning that will actually let you know if somebody's in your blind spot and will actually give you an audible and visual warning to let you know if you turn on the turn signal while somebody's in that blind spot, along with lane departure with haptic steering assist, meaning it will actually notify you if you're starting to veer out of the lane without using your turn signal. Features along with rear cross traffic alert, high beam assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, as well as rear automatic braking that will now actually notify you if you're getting too close to a stationary object behind you, but not only that, but will actually put the brakes on for you to keep you from hitting the object. All of these features packed in every single trim level really gives you the great bang for your buck when it comes to the safety of you and your family. Bringing the 2020 Sentra together is, of course, the first thing you'll notice is the defined lines, giving it a more precise, sharp look, along with the redesigned LED headlights to look good day or night, along with the 17-inch alloy wheels is sure to make this vehicle one of the most eye-catching vehicles in your neighborhood. Also available is a classy quilted leather interior that, paired with features that you can't find in the Corolla, such as zero gravity seats and active ride control, really provides you with an enhanced ride and comfort quality to give you the best value. With a symmetrical air conditioning control system, along with the 370Z inspired air vents, and of course the available 8-inch colored touchscreen tablet design, gives the center console a modern, sporty look. Now that you know what the 2020 Sentra has to offer, time to experience it for yourself.